क्यों नहीं डरती है.
They're considered very lucky for each other, and today they're also dressed up in godly avatars. Akshay, firstly, tell us about yours and Katrina's get-up today. Katrina's looking really pretty, don't you think?
She's playing a princess, and I'm playing her who
Prince Charming.
no, a king who wants to come and tell her to get married to me, and I'm singing that song. मैं बारिश कर दूं पैसों की अगर तू हो जाए मेरी. तो ये गाना है.
Wow, so he's actually bribing you to fall in love with him with money.
But then my answer to him is that my love is priceless. Your money can't buy me.
You guys are giving hit after hit after hit. What is the secret?
What is the secret?
Good directors, good scripts. Because apart from a good director and a good script, there is nothing. You can stop making those faces.
I'm not
You have another
making faces. If the camera is on you, what am I supposed to do? Come in between.
We don't mind if you...
One of those people.
If you have a good script and you have
So
a
the
good
chemistry comes
director,
in.
then the two people will look good together, right? Because they're doing good stuff together.
What
And
about if we have a good cameraman? We can't look good together. We look stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't even need to ask you guys anything.
Yeah, okay, we're done. We're done arguing.
Actually, you know, the thing what we just spoke about, the kind of small fights we have, that's the chemistry.
The first time you all came on set together, what was that like?
I went home and I'm not going to let him answer anything.
No, you can say she
I
cried.
went home and I cried because I thought he was the meanest, scariest man because I was just turned 19 at that time and he's a very big person and he was, you know, he stands like this and looks around the set and I was like, huh? And he wasn't talking to me at all. He wouldn't say anything. He would just stand like that. So I went home and I cried. I said, what do I do with this guy? I don't know what to do. He's scaring me. And then the next day, my hairdresser, who has worked with him since the last like 20 years, she went and told him that, you know, she's a child and she's only 19 and, you know, just be a little nice and all that. So the next morning he went, hi, how are you? And I was like, huh?
I just didn't speak anything because I thought, okay, she may feel it offended. So I didn't say anything much.
He was actually just being correct, as a hero should be, but I was just a bit young and it was a new environment for me and everything. I didn't know when I was on this big set and it was a song. So there was almost 150 people and I was like really intimidated.
Let me see that now.
Two things about Akshay Kumar that no one else knows or probably, you know, outsiders don't really know.
The only habit that I know of his, which is really, prominent, is he has two phones and he has one phone in his hand and he's talking like just before the shot and then puts the phone down.
Two habits of Katrina, she blinks a lot.
That's true, I do.
See, she's not blinking only. One, see. Okay. And second habit, she slurs.
Both are true, I have to say they are true.
What are the changes you've seen in Akshay over the years?
See, the first film I did with him was a slightly serious film. So for me, when I started seeing him do comedy, that was obviously a slightly, it was a slight change for me because I had not worked with him in his previous comedy films. So after Humko Deewana, Namaste London was again a little bit more, there was not much comedy in that sense. It was a little bit more of a serious space. So the first comedy film we actually did together was, I think, Welcome, I would say. He's become a little more tolerant. He's become a little more patient.
He was very impatient earlier. Were you impatient earlier?
I don't know, don't ask me, she's saying it.
No,
Ask her.
Akshay is barely talking in this interview.
Because I
Why?
can't talk because when she has to say, I can't say anything. Because
that
you have
true?
no idea, Mr. She's just नीचे से वो लात मार रही है मेरे को. She's kicking me and saying, don't let me talk.
Is that true, Katrina? We didn't see her kicking you.
No, I was kind of.
She stands like this.
So if I want to say something, I just go.
How? Diga?
Going shh. No, seriously, I didn't do that. That's disrespectful. But
हंस के कैसे बोलती पैसे को प्यार से तोलती हर बार तेरा एक रूप नया ना भेद दिलों के खोलती
Akshay, I'm going to ask you a question since you're getting, because you're getting very, very restless.
I'm alright, I'm okay. I like this when she speaks. Yeah.
Tell us about De Dhanadhan. Now it's the Hera Fairy team that's coming back together as well in this. Did you guys bully Katrina at all?
Why would we bully her?
You know, you guys know each other for a really long.
No, I don't think so. We bully her. I mean, say, I am actually.
I think I was.
Huh?
I think I probably was bullying people.
Yeah, I think that.
No, Akshay and Sunil are dangerous though. That I will say. Akshay and Sunil together are dangerous because they're.
No, I have stopped doing all that. Now I don't think I do any kind of pranks or anything.
No, he doesn't play the pranks, but together they'll be straight-faced, but they'll be telling each other jokes. They've got this tuning together, which is something else. And I'm very fond of Pareshi, and you asked the question to him, and I'm talking again. I'm quiet.
You have to say something.
I'm quiet now.
I have. Yeah, she's right actually that I have more chemistry with Sunil Shetty rather than her. Because I've done 9 films with him and I've done with you 4 or 5 films. So, as you say, so-called chemistry.
क्या कर रहा है तू?
खुदकुशी करेंगे.
अरे तो कपड़े कहाँ लेके जा रहा है? हनीमून के लिए जा रहे क्या?
उनके पास तो मेरा स्केच है पकड़ लेंगे तो सीधा
मेरी मारी तूने अब देख मैं तेरी कैसे बजाता हूँ.
Among the newer lot, would you say Katrina is the number one right now?
Katrina is not from a newer lot.
Shut up, Akshay. He's just trying to be mean.
How many films have you finished?
I think like 9 or something. What Akshay's trying to say is that
9 films.
I'm not that special. He likes all the heroines. He works very well with all of them, and he gets along with everybody. I mean, the main thing is that when it comes to his work, Akshay's work comes first. I know I'm answering for him, but I'm just going to answer for him now. Akshay's work comes
You should
first.
just officially hire Katrina Kaif as your spokesperson.
Yeah.
You should, Katrina, you should do that.
So whoever he's working
Go
with,
there,
he will
but
be- yeah, I'm talking. Yeah.
We're really waiting for Akshay to say something.
No, I'm okay with it. Believe me, I like.
Yeah, then
No, that's all right, Katrina. I think. What are you asking me?
Out of all the heroines that you
I
work with,
have already said that. I mean, I
do you
get.
think she's the number one among the current lot?
There's no such thing as number one.
Yeah, you should. There's no such thing because that's right. You should ask her. There's no such thing as number one.
There isn't any such thing as number one, really. Everyone is as good as their last film and as good as the films they're doing. Yes?
What she's answered?
रब